up, everybody? It's your girl Trish the Great, and I'm back with another video. So I want to thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for the likes, thank you guys for the comments, and thank you guys for sharing, because without you guys, these 57 views would not be possible. So my new goal this week is to get 100 views. You heard that, 100 views. So if we could share this, like this, and get this to 100 views, you guys, that would be awesome. So I know some of you eggheads out there are like, hey, Patricia, what happened to day 2? I thought you were going to post every day. Skirt. Slow down. I got you. So the reason I didn't do day 2 is because you won't see much of a change on day 2 or on day 3. But I did record myself doing day 3, so I'm gonna do a mashup today of day 3 and day 4, so you guys can see the routine that I go through. You can also bop your head to some nice little music, and then get a little bit of commentary from me. But what I wanted to do was today, before I did anything on day 4, I want you guys to see my skin. This is my skin, bare, clean. I haven't done anything. I haven't put anything on my face at all. Nothing. So this is a good look at what's going on. And you guys can tell me what you think, if you see any changes. Because for me, as far as I can see, I don't see any physical changes have changed. But I do know that I didn't get any new pimples or any new bumps or anything like that. But a lot of the blemishes, they're still there. But my skin is super, super soft. It feels super, super hydrated. And then, people always talk about their pores being huge and massive. So I guess my pores used to be super big, because now there's minimal. Like, I don't even see them anymore. So that's a great thing. And that's something that the other YouTubers were talking about as well. So that's worked. And my skin feels amazing. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel tight. None of that. And that could also be contributed to the moisturizer that I've been using. And it's called Lumin. This is a moisturizing balm that I use, and it has shea butter, green tea extract, and among some other things, some Japanese tree extract as well. This is amazing. It smells like cedar and a little bit of shea butter, but once you put it on and it absorbs into the skin, it disappears. But this thing is great. It's not heavy. It's light. When you put it on, it immediately absorbs into the skin. And Lumin is a male face care body care line that they made specifically for males. It doesn't matter to me, because whatever works for me works for me. Whether it's for dragons or people or old people or young people, it doesn't really matter to me. Whatever works for you works for you. Whatever you got to do to get your best results, you got to. So, and that also, subscribes to my mantra of stepping outside of the box and doing things differently. So sometimes we got to try new shit. So this is some good shit to try. So if you guys can, I'm gonna drop the link in the description box for you guys to check out Lumin, and then I'm also gonna drop it in their IG. So if you guys can tag me, if you guys decide to buy it, just be like, at Trish the Great video bought me here, or whatever. That'd be awesome. Also to the Ross King at the bottom, in his IG, tag me and let me know if you guys are going to purchase any product. Just be like, at Trish the Great sent me here. Let him know, because I did share with him the video that I did make, the first video, and he was super excited. He was super grateful. And like I said, we got to support good people who have good quality product. And he's super nice, great energy, and great customer service skills, and just a great business overall to support. So we got to support good business, because we need a lot of good business owners out there instead of these crappy other businesses that are out here. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, whenever you guys get a chance, get that moisturizer. Like I said, I'm going to drop the IG and a link in there, and you guys can check it out. They have a sample for just $4.95. So you get the moisturizing balm, the charcoal exfoliator, and then you just get a charcoal gently cleanser. So it's up to you if you want to try those 3 products. But me personally, I'm not. I just want the moisturizing balm. Also, you guys, since we're on this 30-day journey, it's going to be a lot of days. Every day after this, since this day, so day 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm going to be posting every single day of me doing my routine. So within that every single day, we're going to get a chance to get to know each other. A lot. There's going to be a lot of communication between us, because I'm not just going to sit here and keep letting you guys see my face and everything like that, but we're going to talk about some other things. There are a lot of other things we can talk about. I can share with you guys a few books I'm reading, my opinion about some things, or we could just kick it and shoot the breeze. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys have any topics or anything you guys want to talk about or discuss, or you want me to talk about, drop it in the comment box. Or you guys can also too follow me on Instagram at Trish the Great, and that's at Trish the Great on IG. I do have a challenge for you guys. Oh, shout out to you guys who are following along with a 30-day sea moss face mask challenge. Now, if you are following with the sea moss 30-day face mask challenge, I want you guys to go on Instagram, find my page, and I want you guys to at me. I want you guys to at me, hashtag me, sea moss 30-day face mask challenge. I want you guys to hashtag that. Let's get this thing trending. Also, I got another challenge for you guys. We're going to do the sea moss 30-day face mask challenge tongue twister. So you got to say it 5 times. If you can say it 5 times on a live feed, sea moss 30-day face mask challenge, sea moss 30-day face mask challenge, as fast as you can for 5 times and don't mess up, hey, that'd be great. Let's do that. I want to challenge you guys to do that. Let's do that together. I'm definitely going to post mine as well. We're going to do it. And just to see how it looks. I mean, if you guys want to speed it up with some video effects, that would be awesome too. Whatever you guys can do and be creative. I just want to see if you guys can do it in one take though. But do it in one take. Just do it in one take. See if you guys can do it. Sea moss 30-day face mask challenge. Sea moss 30-day face mask challenge. I want to see how fast you guys can do it and see if you guys mess up. But that's some fun. And that's just to keep us interacting and keep us connected. Again, like I said, you guys, I want to get up to 100 views. 100 views and 100 comments. I mean, 100 views and 100 comments, that's nothing. People get that overnight. People get that in 2 minutes. People get that in 30 seconds. But I'm just a regular type of girl. So I'm just trying to get 100 views, which is 50 more. I mean, if we get 100 views on this video, that would be freaking amazing. I would definitely appreciate it. And if we get 100 views, who knows? Maybe I could do some type of giveaway or send you guys some sea moss, off the strength. I could definitely do that. I could send you guys some sea moss off the strength. I'll purchase it from the Ross King and I'll send it to you myself. But again, guys, I want to thank you again for keeping it locked, staying tuned with your girl, Trish the Great. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Trish the Great. Keep my YouTube channel alive and let's do it. Sit back, relax, and keep it locked, and I'll be right back. What's up, y'all? This is day 3. I'm fidgeting with the light a little bit because I was having a little technical difficulties. But yeah, it's day 3. Just giving you guys an update on my face, letting you see it before I put it on. If you guys see the differences, let me know. So I'm in the bathroom, just getting ready to do what it is that I need to do. Use a warm washcloth. I always use that because you don't want to start off with, dry skin. So moisturize it a little bit. And I'm going to get this popping. So I'm going to pick up this tub of, I had a little cough, excuse me. It's not the Rona. And it's this little sea moss gel. You see, I got a whole lot of it. So I'm not going to talk too much through this video. So I'm going to make a couple faces. I might do a little dance or something like that, because guys, this is day 4, the other half of the mashup. I'm just wiping my face off, same thing I do all the time, the warm cloth. But this particular day, I had a little bump on the left side. I don't know where it came from or if I got bit by something. I don't know what it was, but it showed up there. But no fear, the sea moss is here, so it's gonna take care of that. And I'm just gonna hop into the routine, and I'm looking into, showing you guys what's going on, looking at my face. I just want to say something, guys. I know y'all see you making that face, and I was like, ooh, that's cold. It was cold, man. That thing was cold. And then I messed around and put it on my little upper lip. So I was like, I got to get that off. Got to wipe it off. So I did wipe it off. Sorry about the face. My bad.
As long as I'm living, yes, I'm living. Oh, yeah. Now if I'm poverty in the way, we slap him with a book, you see gloom and dismay. We slap him with a book, all evil same way. We slap him with a book, determination on display. Things to better, rise with the wind like a feather. Fly with the eagle, them a sing like a bird. Things to get better.